Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $5,000 free funded account that you can use to start trading with without having to pay a dime. In this account, all you have to do is just follow me to the end so you don't miss out on how you can get this particular account. And also I'll be showing you the terms and conditions required for you to make withdrawals from this account. If you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, or you've been watching videos from this channel and you are yet to subscribe from this channel, please do well to subscribe and also turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on how you can make money online this year, and also how you can get free funded accounts, no deposit bonus that you can use to start trading without deposit and any stress. Now for this particular $5,000 account, for you to get the link, all you have to do is just check the description of this video, or it will also be in the comment section. All you have to do is just click on the link. It will take you right to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, all you have to do is just click on join. Make sure you join my Telegram channel so you don't miss out, because I'll be dropping videos and updates concerning no deposit bonus, free funded account, also how to get capital to start trading, and how you can earn money online this year, how you can earn money online. So all you have to do is just join this particular account, the channel, so you don't miss out, and also go ahead and click on the link that will bring you right to this interface right here. So this is the broker and the website where you'll be getting your 5k free funded account. Now to get this particular account, all you have to do is just scroll down. You scroll down to get this particular account. All you have to just scroll to the end. After getting to this interface, you scroll to the end, then it will bring you right to the part where you are going to get this 5k funded account. So to get this particular account, you don't have to verify your KYC. You don't have to verify your KYC. So now this is the part where you are going to get the account. As you can see, the entry fee is $69, but I'll be showing you how you can get this particular account for free without having to make any payments, as you can see right showing on the screen. So now the next thing you want to do is to click on get funded instantly. You are going to click on get funded instantly. This is where we are going to be getting the account for free. I'm saying it now so that you don't miss out on the details. So now after clicking on get funded instantly, then you can now go ahead and create an account with them. Create an account. This is where you're going to put in your full name, your email address, your password, your referral code. You create an account with them. So after clicking on it, it will give you right to the part where you're going to, you click on create account. Then after clicking on create account, the next thing you're going to do is to log into your dashboard. So it will bring you to the part where you're going to put in your login details so you can enter your dashboard and go ahead and get the 5k funded account. So make sure you follow to the end so you don't miss out on the details. Then after logging in, this is what you have. This is what you have right here. So remember, I'm going for the instant funding, and you'll be clicking on your $5,000 account. Now this is the trading rules. Your maximum daily loss is 1.5%. Your maximum trade down is 4%. So these are the rules that you need to know concerning this particular account. So after that, you are going to be using your Zenith Trader terminal to trade. Your MetaTrader 5 will be coming soon. So now for you to get this particular account, you have to use your coupon, which is free 5k instant. That is your coupon. As you can see, immediately you click on 5, you put in your 5k instant, your free 5k, that's the coupon code. Put in apply, then you can see the amount changed to $0. As you can see showing on the screen, it changed to $0. So you are going to click on processing. As you can see, you click on processing. Then after clicking on processing, as you can see, your account claimed successfully. You have successfully claimed the account. So the next thing you want to do now is to add your dashboard. You're going to add your dashboard. You're just going to wait patiently for it to load so you can go ahead and move to the next page in how you can get this particular account. So after it has loaded, it will be checking payment. As you can see right on the screen, it's going to check your payment. Then after that, you have this showing right on your screen. So once you click on account, this is what you'll be having here. As you can see, this is your balance, your $5,000 free funded account showing on the screen. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, and as you can see right here, it's showing that you can withdraw anytime. There's no profit target. So this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So this is what your dashboard will look like. This is how your dashboard is going to show. As you can see right here on the screen, this is everything you need to know concerning the account. So as you can see, your total allocation given to you is $5,000 account. Now, when you start trading, everything you need to know concerning this account is right here showing on the screen. Everything you need to know. So now, for you to trade on this platform, I'll be showing you how you can trade on this platform. So now the next thing you want to click on for you to start trading on this platform is for you to click on account. You are going to click on account. So once you click on account, then you can now go ahead and start trading. So after you click on account, this will show right on your screen. You click on it, then it will bring you to the part where you are going to click on terminal. So for you to start trading, don't forget, click on account. After you click on account, it will bring you right here, then tap on it, then to show terminal, click on terminal. This will show right on your screen. This is the part where you are going to bring your login details directly. Then once you click on it, this will show right on your screen. This is where you are going to start trading. This is where you are going to start making trade on this platform. So this is everything you need to know concerning this particular account. Don't forget, use the coupon code free 5k instant. If you don't use the coupon code, you will not be getting the account. Use the coupon code. Now the terms and conditions, I'll also be dropping it in my Telegram channel, so please do well to get there and get the particular account. So this is all you need to know on how you can get this free funded account. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for where you're watching from. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button, and I'll see you in my next video.